Madam, I am studying 8th class. I am in school 8 master.
A short monsoon diary. Opposite words. Part 1. First.
Last.
Strange.
Familiar.
All.
None.
Silent.
Noisily.
Come.
Go.
Up.
Down.
Perhaps.
Definitely.
Melancholy.
Cheerfulness.
Conceal.
Knowingly.
Conceal.
Reveal.
Now.
No.
Now.
Then.
With.
Without.
Run.
Walk.
Sister.
Brother.
Some.
More.
Genuine.
Bogus.
Warm.
Food.
Humid.
Right.
High altitude.
In altitude. No altitude.
Offered.
Refuse.
Certain.
Uncertain.
Uncertain. Privacy.
Publicity.
Asked.
Answer.
Paradise.
Hell.